What's going on, guys? We're back at the Grand Marquis again. We're going to be installing a 390 amp alternator. This bad boy right here, benched out at
395.
It's a monster. Gonna put that on here. And then the enclosure will be done shortly for the 4 B2 6.5s, and then we will get this thing wired up on a B2 Audio Duo and get those 6.5s moving. So we'll go ahead and get this alternator rolling here. Mike just took the belt off. Whenever you install a high output alternator, you always need to be sure and install a new 1-inch shoulder belt. To get that kind of power out of them, the pulley has to spin faster, therefore there's a smaller pulley, so the shorter belt is to compensate for that difference. So what we are doing right now, this regulator, the voltage set point is in the high 14s. So we cut off the stock plug and are wiring the new plug style into the car. It's installed and in action. Stay tuned for what happens next.